And we are told that you have recruited some teachers, and it's been 8 months now. They are yet to be paid. Can you please clarify this issue, as it's of concern to a lot of people, and they want to hear from you what the way forward on this is? Thank you.
Thank you very much. I want to put on record, Honorable, that we didn't recruit them.
All right, Abusafo, Nyamisha Bibi, Medindi no go artist. Aha, I Ghana TV. Subscribe to the channel. No, therefore, I join here. I was comment section, like and share my Nyamisha Bibi. Abusafo, Director of GES, Director of Ghana Education Service, or say they have not employed, and I say, your money employ teachers now. Now, do danko akufado government employ them. This is what the Director of Ghana Education Service can. Or see, the people that these teachers now employ, there's no way he is coming to pay them. And now up to now for 8 months, one chomuka. We and you mean America. Umayanko, they see or no ankasa, they know na yeba.
And we are told that you have recruited some teachers, and it's been 8 months now. They are yet to be paid. Can you please clarify this issue, as it's of concern to a lot of people, and they want to hear from you what the way forward on this is? Thank you.
Thank you very much. I want to put on record, Honorable, that we didn't recruit them. The GES actually, the process had started before we came. The fact is that some clearance was given to recruit some 15,755 teachers the whole of last year. The first clearance came in May, August, and October for different categories of teachers. We have colleges of education, graduate teachers, and diploma. Out of this number, we were able to onboard 10,112, meaning that some 5,643, almost 6,000 teachers were not able to be onboarded for one reason or another. The process for onboarding, when we started, 16,000 plus teachers were onboarded. But then we couldn't finish processing all of them. So some 10,000 plus were able to be onboarded. Almost 6,000 were not able to be onboarded for various reasons. So we needed to apply for their clearance to be reactivated for us to be able to finish the onboarding process. And these are the teachers you usually see picketing. In fact, today I was...
Director General, public service or government, there's continuity in government. So your first response shouldn't have been, we didn't employ them.
Okay, I'm sorry about that.
All right, Abusafo, Papa we I'm so ashamed of this man. How can you open your mouth and tell the people, say, Nkofona, Omiya Ghana for the previous government I employ, you are telling them, say, because it's not you that employ them, and I say, and your government in the employ, so there's no way you are going to attend to their needs. It is total nonsense. How can you even sit in a country and people think like this? How do we sit in a country and these people are ruling us? This, you see, sometimes we have to blame our own self. When they were in opposition, shouting, we were telling you people, we were on this before, telling you, these people, we know them, they have been here before. We know what they can do and what they cannot do. We know them. But no, you put it, listen. Today, you see what people are going through. You see what people are going through. Upon all the things that Nana Kwakufado has done for you people. You people, Mudi, Musanchi, and Mudi Danasi. boba muso. You say Kaba do not need address to visit you into the monka someone whatever you sow and no more repeat. It is sad. Mama yan kona enkotie the era na po kachiro some years back. Mama yan enkotie na mbra yen ba beto aso nyame.
Basa, we do the twaso. No more to manifesto. What is some numbers about like teacher license exams?
Teacher license
and national service.
And a national service.
As some manifesto one cancer.
How?
It's a do no oko refer na. Say we have mistake that ko to abama so but we try teacher license what. Or the manifesto the lecture be what. As about the first to page 65 they can say tie your cry. But the first to page 69. We are them Aboa Paa. Or said the automatic posting of teachers without national service and license exams will be reversed.
The automatic posting of teachers without national service and national service. Okay, without national service and license
exams will be reversed.
The automatic.
Second paragraph. What's up,
okay. That's let me see.
This is the first two.
Okay, providing globally competitive and quality education. That's 7.2, 68. Oko page 69.
Second paragraph.
Yeah, second paragraph. Or say the automatic posting of teachers without national service and licensure exams will be reversed.
Okay.
Under the John Mahama administration in 2021.
Okay. And of course, was it 1 year pay?
Okay, the way it means they would reverse the automatic posting of teachers without. Okay, honorable to confirm, I mean to me manifesto online. Now, it's the same.
Anything. Oh, the my King James version. What is that? Oh, the my King James version. New international version. For the first two.
But me pay manifesto. But while I open, maybe ABA. While I open, no.
Only Wi-Fi.
Me Wi-Fi.
The Wi-Fi across secondary schools, the teacher training colleges. And all districts.
Juma
free. Wi-Fi. Secondary schools, district education office, regional education office, education headquarters, Ministry of Education, agencies, offices, teacher training colleges, free Wi-Fi a year, Juma.
So on page 69 now. At the tertiary level, the NDC government will reverse. To be fair, will reverse the current efforts at undermining academic freedom and the autonomy of our reputable public universities. The Public Universities Bill will be discontinued if not passed by January 7, 2021. It will be repealed if passed by then. Student welfare will be prioritized because the NDC believes education is a right, not a privilege.
On the utility university, 2030, on the strategy, first government ever, a utility bill on students or John Mahama's government. Also, welfare.
In the paragraph 2, then they say the automatic posting of teachers without national service and licensure exams will be reversed under the John Mahama administration in 2021.
And look at why you one cassette for the 4 years. Also, 1 year, 2021.
Okay, until I just say, they change you when you're without.
If your banner for getting the occasion which license was to redeem the first two, the automatic posting without will be reversed. So say that means posting, you have to have what?
Yeah, you should have national service and the license. Yeah, okay. At least per the wedding of.
I didn't pay the wedding. I don't want to brofo. No, because they know so. The debate or economics or debate about me on literature. I don't the proofreading manifesto.
No, but I'm saying the.
Those who say
what is in the manifesto?
And try to be no. Your mama and them, you say, baby, they recruit teachers. Eventual license. You don't know about the first two. And I know that.
No, maybe you better call in some negotiations. I have Sempa FM.
Dr.
Matthew Poku Prempe on.